Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. As you know, our assessments are coming after Eid. So, today's lesson we will revise our first one chapter, which is more on number systems. The topics from assessments we will revise in the upcoming lesson. The first one we will revise today, and the second one we will revise in the next one lesson. So here are the contents of today's lesson. First of all, we will revise multiplication of binary numbers. Secondly, we will revise division of binary numbers, conversion of decimal numbers into octal numbers, conversion of decimal numbers into hexadecimal numbers, values, conversion of octal number into decimal number system, conversion of hexadecimal number system into decimal numbers. Alright class, so first of all we will discuss how many types of number systems we have in our computers. So here we have the first one, number system, which is binary number system with base 2, because it contains two digits in it, 0 and 1. That's why the base of this number system is 2. The second number system is octal number system with base 8 because of its numbers or digits in it, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Third number system is decimal number system with base 10, starting from 0 till 9, the digits it contains. Hexadecimal number system with base 16, starting from 0 till 9, and after that A, B, C, D, E, F as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So first of all we will revise the multiplication of binary numbers, and for that purpose we will revise the rules of binary addition. So here we have a table of binary addition rules. 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, 0 plus 0 equals to 0, and we have 1 plus 1. In binary addition, answer will be 0 with carry forward to the 1, and when we have 1 plus 1, the answer will be 0 and we will carry forward 1 as to the next column. And when we have 3 ones, for example 1 plus 1 and plus carry as 1 in it, so answer will be 1 and also carry 1 to the next column. Here we have example of binary multiplication. First of all, here we have the simple value 1 0 1 1, and then we will multiply it with 1 1 0 1. So digit by digit इसको solve करेंगे. First of all 1 times simple multiplication as we have in your maths. 1 times 1, 1 times 1, and 1 0 times 0, and 1 times 1. As you know, when we will multiply 1 with the digit, the answer will be the same digit as well, and when we have multiplied 0 with the values, with the given values, answer will be always 0. So when we will multiply from 0, 0 1 times 0, 0 1 times 0, 0 0 times 0, 0 1 times 0. Next 1 multiply 1, 1 multiply 1, 1 0 times 0, 1 1 times 1. So same as at the last step, and now we have to add these values. So for this purpose we will use, or we will follow the rules of binary addition. So first 1 as it is in the answer, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, so answer will be 1 as you can see. 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 1 will be 1. Then you have 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, and then you have 3 ones in a column, so answer will be 1 as you know the rule of the binary addition. And when we have 3 ones in a column, so answer will be 1. Here we have single 1 in it and 1 as carry. Here I will going to place 1 over here. All right, 1 as carry, as you can see, 1 as carry. So 1 plus 1 0 and 1 carry to the next one column, and then you have 1 plus 1 0 and 1 to the next column, and 1 plus 1 0 and 1 as it is. So this one will be as 1. All right class, hope you can understand it very well. Hope all of you got all the points in it. Moving to the next, division of binary numbers. So here we have the rules of binary subtraction for the binary division purpose. So first of all, we will revise our rules. 0 minus 0 will be 0, 1 minus 0 equals to 1, 1 minus 1 equals to 0, 0 minus 1 equals to 1, because we will borrow 1 from the next higher column. So here we have the example of binary division. So as you can see here, we have a single digit example, and you know very well we can solve division with two of methods, simple mathematic method, and the second one is the digit by digit method. So here I am going to revise, or here I am going to explain the example of digit by digit. So as you know, our processor in computer system always process digit by digit value. So here we can solve our question with single digit. So here we have double one at the outer side as a divisor. So we will divide it with 0 times, because in binary number system 0 is also a value. So when we solve one by one, and when we will multiply 0 with double one, answer will be 0, as you can see, and then we will minus 0 from 1, so answer will be 1. As you can see here, we have a rule of binary subtraction. So moving next digit into the next step, so it will 1 0, and it is also less than the divisor, which is double one. So again with 0 times, it will be 0 again, 0 minus 0 at 0, and 1 as it is. Adding third digit into the third step, 1 1, and here we have 1 0 0, which is more than double one. So this time we will solve it, we will multiply it with 1 times. So 1 1 as it is, and for this purpose I will again explain you that minus करेंगे यहाँ पे, it will be 0. Alright class, and it will be 1, and here we have 2 digits, and then we again borrow it from here to this one value. It will be 1 0, and here we have single one, because it is rule that when we will minus 0 from 1, answer will be 1 with 1 borrowed from the next column. As you can see, we borrowed 1 from the next one column, so answer will be 1 and 1 minus from it. So here we have 2 digits, so we will minus 1 from 2 digits, so it will be 1 again, as it is the rule of binary subtraction. Here we have 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. Alright, last one and the fourth one digit will add into the fourth step, and then we have 1 1. Again with this time we will divide 1 1 with 1, and here we have 1 1. Alright, and it is totally divisible by it. Alright class, hopefully आपको समझ आ चुकी होगी, हमने जो अच्छी तरह से आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है मैंने आपको. Alright, moving to the next one, conversions. Here we have also some of conversions in our number system. So first of all we will discuss octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Both of these number system, whenever we will convert these number system into any number system, we will use repeated division method. Alright, for these two number system we will use repeated division method. तो इन दोनों number system के लिए It means for octal number system and hexadecimal number system, we will use repeated division method. Moving to the next one. First of all, we will discuss or we will revise octal number system. Characteristics of octal number systems are as follows. Uses 8 digits. As you know, octal number system contain 8 digits in it, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Alright class. Also called base 8 number system because it contains 8 digits in it. So base of this number system is 8. Each position in an octal number represent a 0 power of the base 8. For example, here can you see the base 8 with power 0. And for this purpose, to convert any number system into octal number system, you have to learn or revise the table of 8. So in octal number system, the table of 8 is quite important. Conversion of decimal number system into octal number system. Okay class, here we have an example of conversion. Find the octal equivalent for decimal to 14. Alright, here you have a value to 14 and we will write remaining or the remainders over here, and divisor is 8. As you know, 8 is quite important into octal number system. So let's start. 8 2 times 16 and the remaining we have. Okay class, who will tell me how many we have as remaining? So good, 5 we have as remaining. So let me write down 5 over here. Okay class, so here we have 8 2 times 16, and when we will minus 16 out of 21, the answer will be 5, and this 5 will place with the next one digit, which is 4, so it becomes 54. 8 6 times 48, and the remaining we have when we will minus 48 from 54, so the remaining is 6, and we will write 6 over here. The next one, we will again divide 8 3 times 24, and the minus answer will be 2, and we will write 2 as remaining column. 8 0 times 0, and this 3 will be moving to the remaining column. Alright class, so as you know, we will always write the answer from bottoms to up. Alright, bottoms to up. So most significant digit is 3 and the least significant digit is 6. Alright, bottoms to up. Therefore, the octal equivalent for decimal to 14 is 326. 3 from here, 2 from here, and 6 from here. Moving to the next one, hexadecimal number system. Characteristics of hexadecimal number system are as follows. Uses 10 digits and 6 letters. How? From 0 till 9 as digits, A, B, C, D, E, F, the 6 letters in it. Letters represent numbers starting from 10. A as 10, B as 11, C as 12, D as 13, E as 14, F as 15. Also called base 16 number system because it contains 16 digits in it. So the base of hexadecimal number system is 16. Very good. Each position in a hexadecimal number represent a 0 power of the base 16. For example, as you can see on your screen, 16 with power 0. And for hexadecimal conversion system, you have to revise your 16th table. Alright class, here you can see 16, 1 times 16, then 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128, 144 and 160. So here we have example. Here you have an example of conversion of decimal number system into hexadecimal values. So find the hexa equivalent for the decimal 3509. Again we will use the same method, which is repeated division method, which we used already into octal number system. So class 16 2 times 32 and 35 में से जब हमने 32 माइनस किया, so we have 3 as remaining, all right, and it will becomes 30. 16 1 times 16, and then we will minus 16 out of 30, so we have remaining as 1 4, all right, so it will be 149, and then we will solve it 69 times, so the answer or the remaining we have 5 over here. Okay, it will be 144. 16 9 times 144, and the remaining 5 we will write into remainings column, the remainder column. Moving to the next, 16 1 times 16, all right, and the remaining we have is, माइनस करें ज़रा जल्दी से, 21 में से माइनस करें 16 को, तो हमारे पास क्या आंसर आ जाएगा, रिमेनिंग कितने आ जाएंगे, 5, all right, and then we will combine it 59 as it is, and then 16 3 times 48, and 48 को जब माइनस करेंगे हम लोग 59 में से, so the remainings we have as 11 it. 16 0 times 0 because 13 is less than 16, so 0 times इसको multiply करेंगे, and then 13 will be shifted into the column of remainder. All right class, so most significant digit is 13 and the least significant digit is 5. all right, bottoms to up answer लिखेंगे हम इनका. For hexa value, 13 is equals to D, 11 equals to B, and 5 as it is as 5. As you know, 13 is always D as a digit into hexadecimal number system, and 11 is B as hexadecimal value. So therefore the equivalent hexa number for decimal 3509 is DB5. Conversion into decimal number system, and for this purpose, whenever you will convert any number system into decimal number system, you will use expansion method, which is quite important. So let's discuss about decimal number system. The number system that we use in our day-to-day life is the decimal number system. As you know, in our mathematics we follow the decimal number system in it, because decimal number system has base 10 as it uses digits from 0 till 9. As you know, it contains numbers from 0 till 9, so we will normally follow in our routine life. In decimal number system, the successive position to the left of the decimal point represent unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, and so on. So as you know, from left side it will be always unit, 10, 100, and 1000. So let's discuss the conversion of octal into decimal. For this purpose we will use expansion method. तो पहले हम octal number system को convert करते हैं decimal number system. So here we have a value 74 from octal number system. So as you know, in expansion method जितने हमारे पास digits होंगे उतने हम set बनाते हैं, ठीक है. So here we have 2 digits, 7 and 4, so we will make 2 offsets. And into decimal number system or expansion method, we will always multiply that digits with the given base, which is 8. ठीक है, जिस नंबर सिस्टम की हमें वैल्यूज़ दी गई हैं, हम उनके डिजिट्स को उसी नंबर सिस्टम की बेस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर वी हैव 74 फ्रॉम ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम, सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 7 with 8, 4 with 8. and at the last point into our this step we have 0. as you know power is 0 then 1, और अगर आपके पास और भी ज़्यादा सेट्स होते तो आप इसको 2, 3, 4, 5 यानी गिवन बेस को ये पावर्स अलॉट कर देते. ऑलराइट, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सॉल्व द पावर्स. एज यू नो एक्सपोनेंट को पहले सॉल्व करते हैं. सो 8 1 times 8 as it is, and this will 7 multiply 8 as it is. Then you have addition sign it is, which is the pattern of the expansion method. Alright, so here we have the value of 8 with power 0. So this is the rule of expansion method. Whenever you have the power of 0 of given base, you will write it as 1, because if you will write it 0, so the whole set will be 0. But the 1 is a digit which is balancing for every digit. So whenever you will multiply with 1, कोई भी डिजिट हो जिसे आपको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आप क्या करेंगे, सिंपली 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4 से तो आंसर आपके पास 4 ही आएगा, इसलिए हम इसको 1 प्लेस करेंगे, विच इज़ द मेथड ऑफ एक्सपेंशन मेथड. सो 7 8 times 56 and 4 1 times 4, and then you will add them all. 56 plus 4, it will be 60. All right, hence 74 from octal number system equals to 60 into decimal number system. Hope you will get all the points of these number system. Moving to the next one, hexadecimal number system into decimal number system. In our previous example we convert octal number system into decimal number system, and now we will convert hexadecimal number system into decimal number system. For this purpose we have a value which is 5C68 from hexadecimal number system, and we will convert it into decimal equivalent. Alright class, so here we have the first step. How many digits we have from hexadecimal number system? 4. As you can see, 5. So this one is the set of 5. C is equals to 12 into hexadecimal number system. So wherever you have letters from hexadecimal number system, you will write into the digits of their equivalent, or whenever you have digits from hexadecimal number system, you will convert it into letters. All right, this purpose and this actually this method is only for hexadecimal number system. So C is equals to 12, 6 equals to, as it is 6, and this one is the set of 6, this one is 8th set. So we will multiplying these values with the given base. So the given base is 16. All right, so we will multiply 5 with 16, 12 with 16, 6 with multiplying 16, 6 with 16, and 8 multiplying with 16. Again we will allot the given base the powers. All right, so starting from 0, because decimal number system always starts from 0, so we will place 0 as the power of 16. Then moving to the next set, which is 1 to the 16, then you have third set, so we will place 2 over 16, then the fourth set, which is 3 over 16. It means we will multiply 16 with 3 times. It means 16 ka cube, not multiplying with 16 with multiply 3. All right, you have to find out the 16 the cube. So 5 multiply 16 multiply 16 multiply 16, the answer will be 4096. Okay, 12 as it is, multiplying with 16 ka square, so the 16 square, it means 16 multiply 16 equals to 256. All right, 6 as it is, 16 1 times 16, 8 as it is, 16 power 0, and the rule of expansion method is you will place 1 whenever you have power as 0 of any given base. All right, moving to the next step, multiplying 5 with 4096, it will be 20,480. 12 multiplied with 256, the answer will be 3072. 6 multiply 16, 96. 8 multiply 1, 8. Alright, at the end of this step you have to add these values, so answer will be 23,656. Hence 5C68 from hexadecimal number system equals to 23,656 into. Alright class, so that's all for today. Here you have an activity as usual. At the end of lesson you have an activity related to the lesson. So for today's revision lesson you have an activity. Do revise your summary points carefully. Class, kindly do revise your summary points, which are quite important for your learning and for your assessments as well. Alright, and then after that, and after taking this lesson, after that solve your worksheet appropriately. So good luck to you all, and at the end of this lesson I will wish you all, specially wish you all Eid ul Adha for this occasion, and kindly do enjoy this Eid with your loved ones and celebrate your Eid with your the nearer ones, and do distribute your happiness and your love to the everyone. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.